Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zenefits for benefits and insurance management, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Zenefits website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to start the registration process. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and company details. Create a secure password for your account. Review and agree to the terms and conditions provided. After completing the form, click on the Submit or Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Zenefits. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Zenefits account using your email and password. Navigate to the Benefits Management section of your dashboard. Select the type of benefits you want to manage, such as health insurance or retirement plans. Follow the prompts to input the necessary information about your business and employees. Choose from the available insurance providers listed in the system. Review the plan options that best suit your business needs. Select a plan and follow the process to enroll your employees. Make sure to provide the required documentation for any selected plans. Once enrollment is complete, ensure that you review the confirmation details. Regularly check your Zenefits dashboard for updates or changes in benefits. Utilize the resources and support offered by Zenefits to manage your benefits effectively. Familiarize yourself with the reporting tools available to track employee enrollment and usage. Stay informed about any changes in laws or regulations that could affect your benefits management. Leverage the platform's communication tools to keep employees updated on their benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.